Today for the Bitcoin and Cardano price. This is the shortest video I have ever made in my life because I am above the clouds and the Wi-Fi is very slow. But in this video I am going to briefly explain the Bitcoin pump and the Cardano dump. Watch this video until the very end. This is very important. If you are subscribed to my MMCrypto Twitter channel 32 minutes ago, I told you, if you want to protect your profitable 88 trade, you can set a stop loss at break even. The Coinbase listing starts in 24 minutes. Sometimes we see a sell the news event. As you see, we saw exactly that even up to the exact minute when I told you that. So please subscribe to the MMCrypto Twitter channel to see these updates whenever I am seeing them, because didn't come to my mind earlier, but once I found it, I had to update you and I warned you over on Twitter. Now also let me quickly talk about Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is here right now breaking out of the bull flag. Actually, as I predicted earlier, these bull flags tend to break out towards the upside much more often than towards the downside. The first price target is at $60,500 US, and as you remember, the second price target is this half pole here. Look at this right there. Hoppala. So one second, guys, and if I'm pulling that over, the second price target is at 62,900. You know the deal. We are always taking profits. Let me quickly turn that back. We are always taking profits before the price target. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Smash the algorithm, completely destroy it. And with that being said, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.